Hi there, students. Sublime, an adjective. Sublimely, the adverb. Okay, let's see. You need to be careful with the use of sublime. We most commonly use it to talk about something that's extremely good, that it's really beautiful, that it's really high quality. So she is sublimely beautiful. Her beauty is sublime. The quality of the poetry is sublime. It's extremely good. Yeah, it has a wonderful quality that affects you deeply. The music was sublime. The sublime beauty of the natural landscape before me. You can refer to things that are sublime as the sublime. So they elevated my success to the sublime. It was just absolutely incredible. We also actually have this phrase, from the sublime to the ridiculous. So this is when something that's really beautiful transforms into something that's silly. So the situation went from the sublime to the ridiculous. It was absolutely wonderful, and suddenly there was it changed into a ridiculous situation. The film was really good, but after several remakes and several sequels, the storyline went from the sublime to the ridiculous. Okay, you can say, yes, something that's sublime is noble, magnificent, or glorious. Okay, you can use this to emphasize a quality. But notice you can also use this in a negative way. Using sublime to just mean total, complete, or utter. So the government was sublimely uninterested in the fate of the poor. He showed sublime indifference to the fact that he was stealing. The sublime incompetence of the administration. Okay, so sublime, you're emphasizing that this quality is negative or undesirable. So notice, sublime can be positive, but you can also use it in a negative way, meaning very, total, utterly. He was sublimely uninterested in what people said about him. Yeah, he was sublime to what people were saying. Yeah, he was completely indifferent to it. He really didn't care. Notice as well, in chemistry, yeah, here's the chemist again, to sublime means to change directly from solid state to a gas without becoming a liquid. So, for example, normally salt, when you heat it, it sublimes. It goes from solid salt to a gas, but that's just a very technical meaning. So something sublime. The food was sublime. The scenery was sublime. It was extremely good, extremely satisfying, extremely enjoyable. Yeah? But also, yeah, he was sublimely uninterested in how other people felt. Yeah, so unparalleled. Yeah, completely. Yeah, his madness was sublime, total, and not very good indeed. The dinner was sublime. It was absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much for it. Okay, so sublime. Formality. I think I would probably give this word a 6.75, maybe 7 in formality. let's see, I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation in the pub. I might use it in an informal conversation with posh people. It sounds pretty literary and pretty posh. Excellent, fantastic, brilliant, the best in informally. Yeah, but that was an absolutely sublime meal. Thank you so much for it. Yeah, that might work. So yes, a formal literary word. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French sublime, from Latin sublimus, high, from sub, up, upwards, and the root of the other root is linus or limus, meaning oblique at an angle, so up at an angle. I'm not sure how that's linked to the word today. Notice this word is also related to the word subliminal. Yeah. Okay, so I hope I gave a sublime example of a sublime explanation of the meaning of sublime. I hope it wasn't sublimely incomprehensible. Yeah, and remember not to be sublimely rude. Yeah, so remember the meaning can go both ways. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sublime, sublimely.